You've always looked for patterns. You see what others miss, the small shifts, the quiet signs, the tiny cracks no one else notices. But this June, life isn't asking you to fix anything. It's asking you to feel. Mars moves through the hidden part of your chart, stirring your subconscious and making space for what's been buried. You may feel tired, sensitive, or uncertain, even if nothing seems wrong on the surface. This isn't weakness. This is your system asking for pause. Let yourself rest. Let yourself move slower. That's where your clarity lives. Jupiter enters Cancer this month, expanding your social life, but not in chaotic ways. This is about meaningful connection. You're craving people who feel safe, not just familiar. People who meet you where you are, without expecting perfection. Some friendships may shift. Some connections may fade. Let them. This is your season to build community, not out of duty, but out of resonance. Find the ones who get your quiet. Venus and Mercury move through Cancer too, softening your voice and bringing sweetness to your words. This is a beautiful time to reconnect with old friends, with parts of yourself, or with something creative you set aside. Let your voice be gentle but true. Let yourself speak, even if you're still figuring out the right words. Your thoughts don't need to be polished, just real. Career-wise, you may feel a bit scattered. The Sun in Gemini pulls your focus toward responsibilities and public image, but not everything on your to-do list deserves your energy. Be selective. You don't have to prove your worth through productivity. You already are enough. Later in the month, when the Sun enters Cancer, your attention shifts toward connection and purpose. You may feel called to join something larger, a cause, a collaboration, a mission that speaks to your values. Follow that feeling. It's a compass. Financially, this is a time to pause before committing. Your instincts are strong, but your energy is delicate. Wait until your clarity returns. Emotionally, something is surfacing, not to overwhelm you, but to show you what still needs compassion. You're not broken, you're unfolding. This is your invitation, Virgo. Feel before fixing. Breathe before acting. Rest not as retreat, but as alignment. If this felt true for you, stay close. The sky is still unfolding, and you haven't seen everything yet. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And check the description. 2 special gifts are waiting for you. Until next time, keep looking to the stars.